welcome back to the channel. I'm talking about Fiat 500es and specifically the rear wiper. Now, if you have a look at the Fiat parts catalogue, it says that the rear wiper is just not changeable on these cars. Spoiler alert, it is. You can use a Bosch H840, that's Hotel 840 blade, and that comes as a bit of the blade, and it is definitely changeable. Now, that blade is ever so slightly longer. It's designed for the petrol Fiat 500, but it does also fit the electric Fiat 500. And if you're watching this in 2026, it will also fit the Fiat 500 Mark II hybrid. And I'll just show you it works. There it is, working. So that's the Bosch H840 blade. And what I'm now going to do is I'm going to show you how that blade can be changed. I will provide a affiliate link in the comments to that blade on Amazon if you're in the UK, but these are widely available. You can get them from all sorts of motor factors. It's a very common part. It fits most Fiat rear blades. Okay, so this is what you get. This is a Bosch H840, and as you can see, it cleans a fairly decent arc, and you can see it comes off fine, and to fit it you just go like that. And the reverse, it's a little bit hard to do one-handed, but you might be able to do it, but it does just click off, so I'm not sure I can do it one-handed. Should have brought a tripod out. Oh, there we go. Yep, so that's how it comes off, and we'll just see it going back in again for the good luck. The only disadvantage is the Bosch logo is upside down, but yep, you get a perfectly decent arc. It cleans more of the back window than the standard one. It's ever so slightly longer, but it fits absolutely perfectly. It looks perfectly fine, and there we go, definitely doable. You don't have to buy the whole arm. You can change it with one hand in 30 seconds. Thanks for watching.